Alright, I just ordered a tripod camera holder thing off of Amazon just now, so hopefully this will be the last time that you get a look at this from this angle. So this is how this was supposed to work. And I've already explained my shortcoming. Alright. So you're supposed to spin it, I don't know, three or four times. And I always like to start at 0. And so find a starting place and pull on the shackle. And you're supposed to hear a click. My click was right there at 39. So you're supposed to go 2 more past the click. And then rotate to the left. Back to 37. And then, here was what I was doing wrong. You are supposed to pull starting at 37. Because remember, I went to 39, got my click. I'm supposed to go 2 more over. That's 37. Supposed to go back to 37 and start pulling until I find a hard stop. My hard stop is at 0. Then, once you get your hard stop, if you think that's your hard stop, you're supposed to try to turn it back that way. And if it's got resistance, that was the correct number. And then, go back that way again. And there's my open. So what was getting me was I was finding 39. That wasn't very good. Let's do that again. I was getting my click at 39. So I knew I needed to go 2 more over to 37. But then what I was doing, I was going back to 37. And I wasn't starting to pull yet. I thought, I was like, there's no way it's going to be just 3 numbers over. So I was going to about here and pulling. And I kept looking for that second gate. And I wasn't finding it. Because I wasn't doing it right. As soon as you find your first gate, $39, there was my click. I go 2 numbers. Now I go 360 degrees. And now immediately start pulling. Until you find a stop. Now it doesn't want to turn anymore. So that's my second number. Now I just need to go back the other direction. Till it got to 26 and it opened. So that process does work. You just have to do it the exact way. And there was no way I was thinking that the second gate was going to be from 37 to 0. So never assume anything. All right, Jim. Hope you had fun with this. Good luck with your picking. Bye.